Well, hi guys. Yeah, hi guys. Hold on. Let me just. What did I last? Leave it.
You guys want to see Brooklyn's hair? You want to see how I do Brooklyn's hair today? Yeah. Hold on. Let me see if I can unplug my phone.
Huh?
Stop. And I'll see if I can show them. See?
So yeah, I did a fun man. Yeah, he's just watching
So you
kitty
guys are
cams.
back tomorrow?
He's watching the cams.
You guys are going to have a surprise of your life when you get back tomorrow. There's a lot of snow, Olivia.
I know. We need to show our driveway.
What did you say, Natalie?
Oh, I can't find this. Oh. Okay, sorry, I gotta always wear that mask, guys. So bye.